Hey guys, Deputy PJ here to read another one of my favorite books. This goes back to the very first book that I read because I really enjoy reading these books. Tonight I'm going to read Pete the Cat Rocking in His School Shoes. I love Pete the Cat books. They're a lot of fun to read. Even my son at one point even had a plush toy of Pete the Cat. So we really enjoy the Pete the Cat books, and they're fun to read, and make sure you sing when you read it. So yeah, let's get to it. Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. Bus. Pete the Cat rocking in my school shoes. Here comes Pete the Cat, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. 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 Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where do you think Pete is going? What room would have books on all walls? I wonder. The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Have you been to the library before? Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and he sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. 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 Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big, noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? I wonder, where is Pete? The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. 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 Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? Where is he? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. 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 All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. Super cool, super cool. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes, and I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good. That's right. It's all good. Bus, 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 bus. I hope you guys enjoyed Pete the Cat, Rocking in My School Shoes. It's definitely an awesome book, and it's a lot of fun to read and sing. Make sure you sing it when you read it, because it's a lot of fun singing with these books and reading these books. Miss you guys. It's pretty late right now. It's almost midnight. It's raining outside, but I'm going to get back to work. So catch you guys later. Deputy PJ, out.